Solve x squared plus 2x plus 5 equals 0, either by using the quadratic formula or by completing the square. I'm going to use the formula. And then we're asked, what do we notice about the roots? Now, we did something like this way back at the beginning of this section. So, can you remember? Well, let's go through it anyway. So, the quadratic formula is that x is negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. That relates to the general quadratic ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So by comparison, we can see here a is equal to 1, the coefficient of x squared is 1, b is equal to 2, c is equal to 5. Therefore x would be negative 2 plus or minus the square root of 4 take away 4 times 1 times 5, or divided by 2 times 1, which is just 2. So that's negative 2 plus or minus the square root of negative 16 divided by 2. That's negative 2 plus or minus the square root of 16 square root of negative 1 divided by 2. Negative 2 plus or minus 4i divided by 2, which is negative 1 plus or minus 2i. So our roots are negative 1 plus 2i, and negative 1 take away 2i. They are conjugates. And this is important. This is what we're coming up to. The coefficients are 1, 2, and 5. And the point is, those coefficients are all real. And that being the case, we got a conjugate pair of roots.